Today we are going to make full Geometry Dash game in Scratch in just 10 minutes. In this video we will learn how to code the rotation of player, how to fix collisions, and how to make this endless scrolling level. We will need just 2 clones for the scrolling level, and you can add infinite number of levels to your game. So let's get started. Rename the project Geometry Dash K. Now we begin by creating our player for our game. Draw this type of level, player, but make sure this is perfectly centered. Now delete the cats and do some coding. Now make a variable scroll speed for all sprites and speed Y for this sprite only. Hide the variables and drag out when green flag is clicked. Set size to 50%. Click on this chunk of code and our player is small. Now drag out go to XY0 and set scroll speed to -10 and set speed Y to 0. Now drag out forever and make a new custom block, naming it player movement. Run without screen refresh and press OK. Now drag the new custom block in the forever loop and do some coding in the new custom block. Drag out turn 15 degrees for the rotation of player and change speed Y -4 for the gravity, and drag out if speed Y is less than -28, then set speed Y to -28. And in the last, drag out change Y by speed Y. Now rename the sprite 1 as player and paint a new sprite, naming it level. Now in the bottom of the window, draw a floor and decorate the floor so that we can see that it is scrolling. And very important, center it and draw a line below the level. This is very important. Now duplicate the costume 1 and do some changes in it. But make sure the color is same as the top color. Now go to the player sprite and drag out if touching color and pick the ground color. Now drag out point in direction. Now go to the operators tab and drag out multiply by, and in the left side drag out round, and in the middle drag out divided by. Now we need direction, so drag out direction divided by 90, multiply by 90. Now drag out if else and put if speed Y is less than 0, then we need a new custom block, move out, and with an input of speed Y, and run without screen refresh. Press OK. Now drag the new custom block in the if and put the value of 1. Now drag out if space key pressed, then set speed Y to 28. Now in the else, move out by -1. Now in the new custom block, drag out change y by -4 minus dy. And now drag out repeat, and in the repeat we need absolute of speed y plus 8. Now drag out change y by with the input of speed y, not the variable. And drag out if we are not touching color, the same color we used before. Then what we need is to set speed y to 0 and stop the script. And in the last, we need the first block, change y by -4 minus speed y. And broadcast game over. Now, when I receive game over, then stop other scripts in the sprite. And set scroll speed to 0. And repeat 10, change x by scroll speed. And change ghost effect by 20. And in the last, wait 0.7 seconds. Clear graphic effects and broadcast reset. And sets speed y to 0. Now go to the level sprite and drag out when green flag is clicked, hide. Go to x0, y0 and switch costume to costume 1 and create clone of myself. Change x by 480, the full screen, and drag out next costume from the looks category. And now we need the 3 blocks again, so duplicate it and attach them below. Now when I start as a clone, show the sprite, and in the forever loop, change x by scroll speed and drag out if less than and drag out x position. If x position is less than -480, the left side of the screen, then change x by 960, the double of screen, and drag out next costume and next costume. Now you can add many levels to your game. Now when you press the green flag, you can see the player is rotating beautifully and the collision has fixed. And the level is scrolling beautifully. When we touch the wall, then the game is over.